Pandharpur, a city situated on the banks of the river Chandrabhaga in the Maharashtra, is known as the South Kashi of India. It is the pilgrimage destination of Bhakti religion and Bhagavad Dharma, which has spiritual, religious and Socratian heritage. The city has become spiritual and sacred by the touch of Lord Vitthal and Mata Rukmini. Through his Abhanga, a spiritual song, Sant Namdev Maharaj described Pandharpur as Jemha Navate Charachara, Temha Hote Pandharpur. Pandharpur was in existence when there was a nothing on this earth. There are 4 big varis, periods of pilgrimage, during which millions of devotees visit Pandharpur every year on the occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi, Magh Vari, Chaitra Vari and Kartiki Ekadashi. So, in the wake of this, thousands of police officers are deployed every year from all over Maharashtra. In order to minimize the stress, the police administration plays a vital role in systematically planning the activities during those periods. Through the vision of the district superintendent of the police, Mr. Manoj Patil, additional superintendent of the police, Mr. Atul Jhende, and sub-divisional police officer, Dr. Sagar Kaude, the unit of Tirthakshetra police was established. The basic concept of Tirthakshetra police is meant to reduce the stress on the police administration by training the students of various colleges in the city and incorporating them in the bandobast, that is settlement of Wari. Through these students under the Tirthakshetra police, the task of making various facilities available to the devotees is done easily during the entire periods of the Wari. By maintaining communication with the student and making them aware about law and order, the students associated with Tirthakshetra police organize reception rooms in the different parts of the city, and there are 5 students in each room. The students of pharmaceutical science are also involved for medical care. Before the implementation of the policy of the Tirthakshetra police, there were many cases of missing of children, elderly people and uneducated people, but with the implementation of the policy of the Tirthakshetra police, there is a surprising decline in such cases of missing. With the help of multilingual students, non-Marathi devotees who understand Hindi, English, Kannada and Tamil languages are able to access information about the roads leading to different parts of the city easily. With the help of the students in the pharmaceutical science, it becomes easy to get immediate first aid in a crowded place. Apart from this, the task of dealing with the emergencies by creating separate teams is being done for the last several years. The volunteers of the Tirthakshetra police are also working to take immediate note of the crimes that take place in Pandharpur and nearby areas after the periods of the Wari. Therefore, the prevalence of crime in Pandharpur and locality has dropped significantly. Thousands of police officers come from all over Maharashtra every year for bandobast. So far, allocating the locations to police officers to take and maintain their attendance records and to give immediate suggestions, a big team was required earlier and much of the crucial time was being invested in those activities. As a solution to this, under the able guidance of Superintendent of the Police Mr. Manoj Patil and Sub-Divisional Police Officer Dr. Sagar Kaude, the online software of Bandobast allocation and attendance system, that is means BAAS, that is means BAS, and the website pandharpurpolice.in were created with the help of Tirthakshetra police. The software was successfully used in the 4 major Wari periods, that is Chaitravari, Ashadivari, Kartikivari and Magvari of the year 2019. The Inspector General of Police for Kolhapur region, Dr. Suhas Warke, visited Pandharpur during the Ashadivari period and praised this online bandobast system and Tirthakshetra Police a lot. Tirthakshetra Police plays vital role in COVID-19 to support police department at Pandharpur by providing a vital bridge between common public and police or entire government administration. Under the guidance of Inspector General of Police Mr. Suhas Warke, Superintendent of the Police Mr. Manoj Patil continuously taking follow-up for implement Tirthakshetra Police all over Maharashtra.